If you have undergone a slip disc surgery and you still have pain radiating down your leg, which is known as sciatica, then what are the probable reasons? The most common reason for persistent pain after a successful slip disc surgery could be because of the nerve irritation. Now this can be because of patient-related factors like diabetes, because diabetes is known to cause neuritis. Neuritis means the inflammation or irritation of the nerve. Even after a successful slip disc surgery, when we remove the entire fragment pressing the nerve, if there is persistent pain, it can be because of fluctuating levels of sugar or high sugar level after surgery. This type of neuritis normally takes few weeks or few days to settle down, along with proper nerve medicine plus medicines for proper sugar control. The second most common reason is recurrent disc herniation, which means that after removing the disc fragment pressing the nerve, some other part of the disc which was originally inside the disc has now come out. This new fragment which has come out is now pressing the nerve and again causing the pressure symptoms over the nerve. This can again lead to sciatica pain traveling down the leg. Normally what happens, if there is a recurrent disc herniation, it happens with a jerk or some sort of injury or some form of physical exertion. To see whether there is a recurrent disc herniation, we normally advise to go for a repeat MRI. If the repeat MRI after the surgery is showing a new disc fragment which has come out and pressing the nerve, then in some cases we need to do the surgery again and remove this disc fragment again. Third rare case could be a case of recurrent remaining disc herniation, that is the part of the disc which was there originally was or could not be removed properly during the surgery. If there is a remnant disc, that can also lead to sciatica pain or pain traveling down the leg. In such conditions also we go for a repeat MRI. We remove that part of the remaining disc through surgical procedure. Now this surgical procedure could be in the form of a simple microdisc surgery again, that is the same procedure repeated the second time where we remove the remaining part of the disc. Or it could be a T-lift procedure or a fixation procedure in which we put screws and rod, we stabilize the spine, we remove that part of the disc as well as the remaining disc completely and put a cage in place of the original disc. This removes all the possibility of recurrent disc herniation or a disc fragment remaining and pressing the nerve again. So if you have persistent pain after your slip disc surgery, don't panic. In majority of the cases, we don't need to do the surgery again. However, if the pain is persistent, get a repeat MRI done, and if it is showing a recurrent disc herniation or a remnant disc, then don't panic, try with conservative treatment first. If it fails, then only we need to plan for surgery. Thank you.